Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Expedia credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. To log into your Expedia credit card, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.expedia.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Expedia, which looks like this. On the top right hand corner, you should see a sign in button. In the pop-up, if you already are a member, you can click on the sign in button in order to get access to your credit card account. Go ahead and type in your email address associated with your Expedia account. And in the next field where it says password, type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password for your Expedia account, you can click on Forgot Password link beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet for Expedia, click on Create One link at the bottom where it says Don't Have an Account. After entering all of your credentials, click the Sign In button in blue and you'll be able to get access to your Expedia.com account. Choose the Credit Card tab from the main homepage in order to access your credit card. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.